Hello guys, welcome to NicoleTopics. My name is Nicole and today's topic is how to draw a galaxy with markers. For this video, I will be using Prismacolor Premier markers. Now before I draw something as colorful as a galaxy, what I do is split up the markers. One area would be what I'm going to use to put on my piece of paper, and the other area is where I'm going to cast aside the colors. Now galaxies usually have the colors black, blue, and purple, so having these colors in the back of your mind is a really good idea while you split up your colors. Now for this video, I am going to be drawing a galaxy heart along with a quote, so the video hasn't really started yet. But what I do want to add on is that when you're first starting to draw a galaxy, what's really a good start to do is to draw it in a shape such as a heart or a square or anything before you move up to doing it to the whole paper. Now what I just did here was use the big part, black part of the marker and draw like 3 lines. Then with the blue big part of the marker, I drew blue lines next to the left side of the black and 3 other lines somewhere in the paper. Now I'm using the big purple of my marker and doing the same thing I just did with the blue, but instead of doing it on the left side, I'm now doing it on the right side of the black streaks I made. I also added some 3 spare purple lines after I did whatever I did next to the black lines. Now I will be taking a hot pink marker using the big side again, and I will draw lines on the top of the heart, which is on top of the purple, black, and blue lines. So I'm pretty much drawing lines on top of lines now. Then I'll use the small part on my pink marker this time, and it's pretty much the time where I use it to color in the leftover spots in the heart. And I will be doing the same thing with my green marker. Now I'm taking out the black marker again, but using the smaller tip side, and what I'm doing here is coloring on top of my previous black lines I've made before, making it more sophisticated, I guess, if that's the right word. And I will be doing the same thing with the rest of the colors I used with the big tip I used before. We'll now be using a silver metallic Sharpie to draw stars on my galaxy and around my galaxy. Lastly, I will use my bronze metallic Sharpie to draw a quote on my piece I just made. you're done. I hope you guys liked the video and that it helps you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!